No, you can move up a little.
Yeah, it's at the starting.
All right. Looks like we got our marshals. Drivers ready. Marshals ready. You're off on the tone. Less than 5.
Liar.
I don't know why it didn't go off the go.
Oh, wow.
Didn't time. Oh, Terry ended up on the wrong side. Brian getting it back on. Alright, this is your 17.5 A main. Well, it's actually the only main, so 17.5. We have Phoebe, your leader. Josh, right on his bumper. Jammin Jeff not far behind. Those three start to break away. You got Brian.
Come on, Alvin.
Orlando, Brian, and Alvin. Okay, Alvin. Oh, hold on. Oh, there we go. Okay, yeah. Brian, Alvin, Orlando. There we go. Doug and Terry. Brian starting to catch back up a little bit to the front pack. Top 4 breaking away. Looks like Alvin making a mistake and getting marshaled. Gonna lose a lot of time. Terry getting around Doug. Oh! Wow, that.
Sorry, Terry.
That was a violent roll. I think kept barrel roll. I didn't think it was going to stop. Oh, your leader hitting the wall. Let Josh take over. Jammin Jeff second, Brian is third. Phoebe down to 4th. I don't really know what happened there, but pretty hard hit. Oh, Jeff
great.
And Brian getting into it.
That was sweet.
I'm going to let this restart a little bit. Because I don't really know who's where. Alright, Josh your leader, Phoebe back up to 2nd, Brian 3rd, Orlando 4th, Jammin Jeff 5th, Alvin 6th, Doug 7th, Terry 8th. Your leader coming around the right side of the track. 2nd place, right behind him, 3rd behind him. Oh, Brian getting up on 2 wheels, getting hit a little bit, staying on the wheels though. Top 3, the back, dragging back. Your nuclear bananas getting into it.
Ah.
Orlando, you're ruining the paint.
Josh still your leader, BB in 2nd, Brian 3rd. They're all pretty close. Brian's falling back a bit. Now a long lap there, 17 seconds. Josh and BB coming around the right side. That's 1st and 2nd. Coming to backstretch. Those two are on a breakaway for the rest of the field. You got Jammin Jeff and Alvin coming through the dragon back on the right side. Orlando and Brian on the right side now. .220 left, drivers. I don't know why this isn't announced, but we'll keep going. Josh getting a pretty big lead over Phoebe now. Put Brian a lap down. Jammin Jeff in 3rd, Alvin 4th, Orlando 5th, Brian 6th, Terry 7th, Doug 8th. Your leader coming on to the back stretch, 2nd place, not far behind. Both 1st and 2nd running very close lap time.
Oh, my fault.
Last lap, they're 3/10 of a second apart on lap. Oh, Brian getting caught. That's going to hurt his time a bit more. Getting letting Terry by now. Brian's gonna really pick up the pace. First place, the Dragon back on the right side. Second place, right behind him. Harry's in a bit of off-roading. Brian is on 2 wheels. Oh, Alvin gets stuck there for a second. Orlando drives straight into a pipe. Not sure why. Your leader coming around the right side again. Ref, fix that body, thanks.
Thanks, Ref.
Second place on the back stretch, sweeper. 35 seconds left, drivers. Your order: Josh, BB, Jammin, Jeff, Alvin, Orlando, Terry, Brian, Doug. First place coming around the sweeper. Second coming down the back stretch. Third place coming around to the right side. Fourth, not far behind us, coming out of the Dragon back. 10 seconds left, drivers. Oh, Terry rolling it. Brian getting going again. Your leader coming around the right side. 3 seconds left. When you cross the line, everyone keep Orlando, you are done. Jim and Jeff, you are done. Brian, you are done. Josh, you are done. Doug, you are done. Terry, you are done. Phoebe, you are done. Alvin, you are done. Your winner, Josh Starr, 18603. Phoebe in second.
I'm sorry in the beginning. I should have waited.
Yeah, man, that was a bad deal.
I know. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's all right. It's racing, right?
Yeah, it was your body got stuck, and I
Yep.
just made the wrong decision.
Yeah, I'm like, fuck. Yeah, it wasn't even my fault. You
I'm
know?
sorry, then.
Yeah. So I don't know.
Same thing happened to me in the end, later in the race.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, but I appreciate the apology.
Yeah.
Okay. And I can tell you're sincere about it. Because I've gotten some pretty.
When I went and then I got hit over here, I was like, man, I should have waited anyways. That wasn't right. You know what I mean?
Yeah. It's all good, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah. No problem.
Yeah.